Point of view. Pronouns are words that replaces nouns. Examples: I, me, she, he, his, her, it, a, you, your. Point of view is the way by which a story is told. It basically shows what the narrator can see, his or her point of view. Since the story is told by a narrator, the point of view of a narrator becomes the point of view of the story. There are three main types of point of view. Three types of point of view: first-person point of view, second-person point of view, third-person point of view. A story using first-person point of view has its key words, I, we, mine, me, and other personal pronouns in the first person. It is character in the story and tells the story using the pronoun I. The narrator participates in the actions of the story. Example story. Talker, doer. It was about 6 in the morning when a rumbling sound awakened me. I got up and looked through the window. Across the hill in which our house stands appeared huge waves approaching fast. I saw small houses, cars, and many other things already being carried away. Then I heard my mother calling me, Facundo. Let's get to higher ground. It's a tsunami. Second-person point of view. A story told from the second-person point of view puts the reader in the action by using the pronouns, the, you, and your. The reader gets to imagine being the main character. Example story. Listener. You are suddenly awakened by a rumbling sound. Though still dizzy, you get up to check what it is by looking outside your window. Surprised, you see that a huge wave is coming across the hill where your house is standing, bringing with it houses, cars, and many other things. Seconds later, you hear your mother calling your name to get to higher ground because of the approaching tsunami. Third-person point of view. In a story told from the third-person point of view, the narrator is an observer who tells the story from the outside. They use the pronouns such as he, she, they, it, or a name of person are used in this type of point of view. Example story. Observer. It was around 6 in the morning when Facundo was suddenly awakened by a rumbling sound. Still feeling sleepy and dizzy, he got up to check from his window what it was about. To his surprise, he saw a huge wave which is already barreling towards the hill where his house is standing, carrying some houses, cars, and many other things. Seconds later, Facundo's mother calls him to get to higher ground as the tsunami heads towards the hill. Direction: read the situation and identify whether it is written using the first-person point of view, second-person point of view, or third-person point of view. 1. Juan and other villagers harvested some crops to save them from the approaching typhoon. 2. My brother Logan and I studied at the University of the Philippines. 3. Susan searched for Aslan in the jungle. Finally, after several days, she found him drinking water at the Binahayan River. 4. You have a problem. You want to buy a new laptop for your online classes, but you need the money to buy a sack of rice. 5. The 3 farmers returned to their village after the flood. 6. I will go to the Talapapa or flea market to buy some root crops like kamatang kahoy, cassava, and kamote, sweet potato. 7. Ben gave us a special delicacy called binagal from Dagami, Leyte. 8. You are riding a jeepney when it suddenly stopped. You lose your balance and end up bumping your head on the driver's shoulder. 9. We used to ride a car about in going to school when we were children. 9. We used to ride a car about in going to school when we were children. Let's check.